Inhale the good shit. Exhale the bad shit. Hope everyone's having a wonderful week. I'm out here. I'm going to show you guys a little something that I found. Show you how to test this little Traulsen fridge freezer combo. Show you how to test the relay. And show you how to test the coil sensors. So, Traulsen fridge freezer combo. And I'll get in here and we'll show you what's going on. So, hope everyone's doing good. Summer really missed us in Chicago. It hasn't even been hot. You can see nothing but clouds. Clouds, 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 clouds. Whee! So, rock and roll, stay positive, make people smile, and do good, clean work. So, just do your best. We'll see you here in a few. That's all you can ask for, right? Later. Alright, so, right here. So, I'm going to come up here to set. Discharge 153. Oil 49.5. There's your problem. 33. So, and then if you want to check the compressor to see if it's the relay, all you have to do is come right here. This plug right here is for the cooler. If you unplug this and the compressor stays running, then you replace the relay. Same thing over here with the freezer. Unplug this 2-wire, goes down to the relay. Same relay. 12 volt VDC, turns on the compressor. So if you unplug this one, it should shut the compressor off. If it doesn't, your relay's sticking. So. Alright, so bad sensor. blue one's alright. So it's just a cabinet sensor. Two new sensors. Oh man.
And my lady ice cream, I can give her ice cream. You know what? She might want some of that soup too. Man, I have some.
Oh no, you good, no worries.
Yes. And this is somebody
I know who it is.
Coming down. Alright, this thing is back up and working. Skirt, skirt. No, you're good. This me. Alright. Man, it's like 68 degrees out. We got a breeze. It's not even hot out. It's unfucking I'm like cold and I'm fucking about to put my hoodie on. So, just doing some system checks. Apparently this building is going to be being sold soon, and looks like we got a whole bunch of old Yorks. That one looks a little newer. It's got the micro channel. Man, this is the best part about being a tech. I love being a fucking tech. It's the best job in the world. You can check a whole bunch of shit out, see what's going on. They'll micro channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 systems. Alright, well, let me get to rocking and checking, and I'm gonna go grab my tools, and if I find anything, we'll point them out. Sweet! Alright, let's see. That's a hole. There's a whole bunch more under there. A whole bunch of them. Let's see them down the line on the inside. So, old York. So, that's a good one. Starting to get all the holes in it. It's all worn. So, just writing everything up. Rocking and rolling, baby. Excuse me. Sorry. Trick. Alright. And get it put back in its little grommet, little spot. Then we'll put them in the ice and we'll test them.